Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials. Power down and unplug the BlackShark and set it on a flat surface. Once done, locate the seam where the cushion meets the ear cup and use your thumbs to find the inner lip. You want a firm, even grip, pull outward and slightly up. This releases the rubberized edge. Do not yank. Slow, even pressure detaches the cushion without stressing clips. This first move protects the cup frame and readies the headset for deeper removal steps. Once the outer sleeve is folded back about 1/2 turn, you'll see the plastic retaining ring and foam underneath. This is where most resistance lies. Carefully peel the fabric away while supporting the cup. If clips resist, insert a thin plastic pry tool at a low angle to lift clip edges gently. You want to free the ring without deforming it because it holds the cushion shape. Make sure foam and any mic wiring remain undisturbed. This preserves fit. To finish, align the replacement cushion's ring with the ear cup and press evenly around the circumference until each clip snaps home. You'll hear small clicks. Once seated, rotate the cushion slightly to confirm a uniform seal and check mic and ear cup clearance. Make sure the fabric sits flush, because gaps affect comfort and bass response. If something goes wrong, if a clip won't engage or the cushion is torn, apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl. Warm the area with a hairdryer on low, and try again patiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.